Hello viewers, welcome to Yqarch Studio. I hope you are doing well. In this video, we are going to discuss 10 important commands in Yqarch plugin and how can you install Yqarch plugin. I have given the link in the description. You can easily download and install from there. So let's get started. In this video, as I told you that I will tell you 10 different commands, that very useful command of Yqarch plugin. So let's get started. The first command is basically ABH. Just type ABH and enter and select this word, intersect it, and now give the text height that is 4 and have just the first number will be as I said, it will be 1, and just select the square, the circle from here, or if you want to select the square, you can select the square from here, and then click OK and select this one, the first riser, and move it here, and now second one. So this is how we can give easily the steps number. So this was the first command. Now the second command is basically the second command is to draw the axis. The command is xww axw. Now we have to discuss the second command, that is zxw for the grid axis, and just give the x-axis value, that is 10 feet, 20 feet, 10 feet, 15 feet in the y-axis, and click OK, and just click here. So you will see the axis, the grid number, and with the dimension with the proper numbers. So this is how we can quickly draw the grid axis. So now the third command we have is to draw a wall here, just like this, and after this we need to type WC for the washer and select this one, OK, and select this word. As you can see, I moved this mouse, the cursor of mouse, so it gives me different types of washer. So if I press A, so it will be changed with the different type. If I click S, as it's given here, so it will be changed, the sync will be changed. If I press F, so the flexibility will be changed. This is how we can easily swipe this. So this was this another command, and now the other command we need to make these wall doubles. For this, the command is xww, and select the thickness from here and click OK, and now select these lines and enter. Now again space enter and click OK and select these lines. So you can see the walls are double. We give the thickness of 7 inches. And now another command is to place the door, that is AD. Just click here. You will see different types of door. Just click here. And now again, click here. We just need to select this one. OK. Click here. So this is how we can add the doors. Now another command is to add the windows, that is AW. Just click here to add the window. If you want to change it, we can change easily. Select this one and just click here, click here. So this is how we can add windows to our plan. And now the other command is JJ for the furniture. So just select one of these and click OK, and just pick the first point and the second point and click here. Now again JJ, select OK, And now we need to place the bait here. If you want to delete any one of these, you can easily delete. Now the another command is, as I told you, that if you need to add the kitchen furniture, so we can easily add the kitchen furniture here. So this is how we can easily change or add the furniture. So now the another command is DDZ to add the dimension. After type the command, just click here. You will see different the dimension. It is given in the centimeter. Okay. Another command is DDGZ, the last command. Now select these lines, enter, and again enter. So you will see the outer dimension. As you can see, the thickness and everything is given mentioned here. So it will save a lot of time, and these commands are very useful, and we use these commands in daily life when we use AutoCAD. So I hope you like this video. If you like this video, kindly don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you so much.